Right, let's continue where we picked up, where we left off rather in the previous video. So we've already said, and I think we're going to need it, so I'm going to just fill it in here. We've said that A1 and A2, they were both 90 degrees minus x. Okay, we might need it. We've proven it in the previous question, so we're not going to, or the previous video, so we're not going to just go through that again. But let's see, 4.1.2, we need to prove A. So I'm just going to draw this or highlight it for me so that I can see AC, B. A over there, C over there, B. So I need to prove that that triangle is similar to CMD, CMD. Okay, so those are the two triangles I need to prove similar. We've already figured out, let's see, what have we figured out? We figured out what A1 and A2 is. We've got those 90s. Okay, that is going to be right. So okay, got it. So D2. So we should notice they did tell us in the description. Let's maybe just put this in other color quickly. So they've told us that A B C D is a cyclic quad. So you should know then that B and D2 are equal to each other, exterior angles of your cyclic quad. Okay, so B and D are both in our triangles, M and C are both given as 90. Okay, so there we're done. Okay, so let's say what have we just said. I said that angle B is equal to angle D2. How do I know this? Exterior angles of our cyclic quad. Exterior angles of our cyclic quad. Right, let me just erase that so it does actually look like what I'm saying. Right, exterior angles of your cyclic quad. So then we're going to say that C and M. So C, let's name it as ACB. ACB is also equal to M, and both of them are 90 degrees. Okay, how do we know that? That was given to us in the question, so this is given. So we should already know. So we've mentioned now an angle that's in both triangles, another angle. So we have two angles in both our triangles, and we're proving similarity. So you should already know this. If you have two angles, you actually have three because of the interior angles of a triangle, right? So which angles haven't we mentioned? We mentioned B, we mentioned C, we didn't mention A2. So let's say A2 is going to equal to, in the other triangle, which one didn't we mention? We mentioned M, we mentioned D, we didn't mention C2. So A2 has to equal to C2, and the reason for that is interior angles of your triangle. Okay, so you have your three triangles. So now you can say therefore, triangle ACB is similar, three vertical lines, to triangle CMD. And our reason for similarity is angle. Okay, if you got stuck with this question, approach it like this. Okay, so when you look at the order of the letters, you should already know this as well, right? The order of the letters tell you which angles are going to be the same. So you need to somehow prove that let's get that back. You need to somehow prove that A and C are the same, that C and M are the same, and B and D are the same. Okay, so if you look at the picture, okay, you need to somehow prove that A and C are the same. Okay, but you don't have enough information, so maybe you can't do it. So let's look at the next ones. You need to prove that C and M. Okay, those are both given, so that's easy enough. You need to prove that B and D. Well, it's going to be that D and this B. Okay, so yes, exterior angles of a triangle. So if you get stuck on a question like this, look at the order of the letters, and that will guide you as what angles you are trying to make look the same or equal to each other. And then the rest of it is just going to be finding the right reasons for all of the things that you're doing. Okay, let's cut it there.